Welcome to Graph Tutorials. I'm Shiva, and in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create and animate captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have this video of myself that I made here, and let's say I want to caption this video. So first you select the video you want to create captions for. And then to make it easy, we're going to go to Window, Workspaces, and choose Captions and Graphics. And then in the Captions and Graphics, on the left side, you choose Text. And here you see there are no captions available, and Premiere gives you the option to create captions from a transcript. When you click this, you get other options you can go through. You can choose the preset, and I'm going to leave this on Subtitle Default. And then you have the captioning preferences, which you can change if you want. I'm going to also leave it on subtitle, maximum length in characters. The shorter the length, the quicker your subtitles will appear. Maximum duration in seconds, the same. I'm just going to adjust a little bit. This isn't to make everything perfect. Depending on what kind of video you're transcribing, this will differ in itself. So I'm going to leave the gap between captions off. I'm going to choose a single line caption. And then you have the transcription preferences. The language is English. We don't have separate speakers because it's just me speaking. And then I'm going to keep audio on track on mix. That way Premiere will check everything that's set and make captioning. You can also choose audio 1, but because it's just me talking, I'm going to leave this one on mix. And then you click transcribe and create captions, and you wait for Premiere to caption your video. And when it's done, you can see that you get a new track here, a subtitle track, and you get the subtitles on the left side also. And here you can check if everything is correct and adjust where necessary by double clicking. So you end up in the text field, and then you adjust what's needed. I'm not going to adjust everything now because this is just to show you what you can do and how you can subtitle your videos. Now, when everything is correct and you have everything like you wanted, you can select all the subtitle tracks, and then on the right side under Essential Graphics Edit, you can edit your type. You can choose something else. I'm going to randomly choose something. You can edit all that. You can say you want everything in caps also. You can give it a fill, a stroke, a background, a shadow. That's all adjustable in here. And when that's done, and that's the only thing you want, you're now finished, and you can export your video with subtitles. I'm going to put this on mute. And as you can see, the subtitles now appear in your video. Premiere has subtitled, captioned your video, and you can export it with your subtitles. Now, you can also animate subtitles. And to do that, you're going to select all your subtitles and you go to the Graphic and Titles menu, and there you choose Upgrade Caption to Graphic. Now you see that your subtitles have transformed into a graphic. And because it's a graphic, you can now also add effects to it. So I'm going to select this first one, and then I'm going under effects. I'm going to choose something depending on what you want. You choose something else. Video effect, distort, and I think I'm going for this video to choose transform. Now, in the effect controls, you have a transform effect added to your subtitle graphic. And here you can adjust things the way you want your graphic to appear, your subtitle to appear. Now, first thing to check is the anchor point, because as you see, the anchor point of my text is here on top. I'm going to drag it below both of them. That way, when I add an effect, it will begin and end here where my anchor points are located. Otherwise, you can, that might be the effect you want, but it will appear from the top and end at the bottom here. I have adjusted my anchor points, and now I'm going to go for the opacity. I'm going to click this animation. I'm going to put it on 0. And then I'm going to go forward a couple of frames, add another keyframe, and this keyframe I want to be 100. And then, as you can see, maybe put this one a bit more to the right. But yeah, depending on what you choose, it will have a different animation. But now you can see that my subtitle appears with 0 opacity and goes to 100% opacity and the amount of keyframes I selected. You can also choose the scale if you want to. I will delete this one and then go for the scale here, a keyframe at 0, and then make a keyframe at 100. And then you can see that your text goes from small to 100%. When you have done that, you can select the transform here, press Ctrl-Command-C, and then select all the remaining subtitle graphics where you want to have the same effect applied, and then press Ctrl-Command-V. And now you have applied that same effect to all your subtitles. And you can do this with any effect you want, because it's a graphic. You can choose whatever effect you want to have on your subtitles. So that was a quick video on how you can apply captioning subtitles on your Premiere project, and also how to animate those subtitles. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the like button if you did. Press that subscribe button if you want to see my future videos. And for now, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.